Newton's first law. Every body continues to be in a state of rest or in a state of uniform motion unless it is acted upon by an external unbalanced force. Newton's second law. Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the implied force and it takes place in the direction of the implied force. Newton's third law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Law of gravitation. Force between two bodies is directly proportional to product of masses and inversely proportional to the distance between the bodies squared. Law of conservation of energy. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another. Law of conservation of momentum. Whenever there is a collision between number of bodies, that total momentum before impact equals total momentum after impact, provided no external unbalanced forces are acted upon them. Ohm's law. So long as the physical state of the conductor remains the same, the potential difference V applied between the ends of the conductor, whereas the current flowing I through it. Right hand thumb rule. Imagine the conductor to be held in the right hand in such a manner that the thumb is outstretched and fingers are curled around the conductor. If the thumb shows the direction of current, then the curled fingers will denote the magnetic field.
Charles'
Volume
law.
is directly proportional to the absolute temperature when pressure is constant. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned.